Now, I want to talk about a type of push-button switch. These are known as Tact switches. They are a momentary contact type of switch, and they get their name from the satisfying tactile click they make when you press them. The legs of the switch are the terminals for electrical connection. Now, only 2 termination points are required for a single switch contact, but the Tact switch has 4 legs. So it can be a little confusing understanding how the termination points work. The 4 legs serve a purpose. They give added mechanical stability when the switch is mounted to a board. But that still leaves us to figure out what legs are connected to what. To help with that, we've drawn a picture. And this could be a little different for some switches, but this is the type I've been using on projects recently. This is a typical EK1019, and here's a schematic symbol to show the typical internal connections and how each termination has 2 legs. When you look at the construction of the switch, there are 4 sides, and from 2 sides you can see this, that it looks like the legs are made out of flat pieces of metal that are bent into a kind of bow-legged U shape. And then you can see the other 2 sides, and you'll see the flat legs and how they enter the side of the body of the switch. So understanding this, you can look at the switch and determine the orientation. You can tell from the side where the legs enter the body, across the legs, there is a switch. And the side with this bow-legged U shape across the legs is a short circuit. But the best way to be sure when we assemble our circuits is to double check these switches with an ohm meter or a continuity tester.